All right, now with the shroud off, it's time to get inside the medium turbine assembly. This is the actual propulsion device that drives the cone at the top, which actually gives it its pattern. Now, to get inside of that, the first thing we want to do is, well, remove the screen. Now, we talked about the screen before in the maintenance area. It's very important that this stay clear. All right, very small water goes through here. This is going to catch most of the debris, but even if little stuff goes in there, you want to make sure that you clear it out, because if it sucks in, it's going to get inside the innards, and it really wreaks some havoc on some parts. So make sure that's clean. Do remove that from this slot. And then here, you'll notice, and this is one of the gears that fell off when we were dealing with the shroud. Again, it's supposed to, because it's only held in by pressure. But we've got the box down here. And inside, after we remove these two small screws, is we call the medium turbine. Ah, there she is. It's a little turquoise piece. One of the things we want to make sure that it does is that it spins smoothly. Look at that. It's almost like a gyroscope. This one's obviously perfect shape. Comes in through here, gets diffused through here, pushes the wagon wheel, and that in turn moves this gear, which will move this gear, which will move the top, which steers the cleaner. All right. Now, to get this guy out, you can see little itty-bitty tiny screw in there. So, you've got just the right head and just the right little tip in there and good reach. You can reach back. I'm going to both hold the assembly and hold the white gear, get it in there, feel it bite, and then just slowly back her out. All right, I'm pulling a little bit so that it frees up. Take the small gear, put it down there, the other tiny sprocket. The other thing is I'm going to take out the little screw and make sure that we put it aside. And then the bushing. Just by putting with the pad of your finger here and pushing through, boop, she comes right out. And then we've completely stripped it down. Now at this point, the cleaner is completely stripped down. We've identified all the parts. Now we're going to replace the ones with new that are damaged, put it together, we'll have a great cleaner. Assembly comes next.